Hey, Miss Debbie. Oh, hey, Miss Debbie. Thanks for joining my screencast. This is my website, as you can see, titled An Inside Perspective on Academic Advising. So in this website, I take you through some things I do at work, and that's my building in the background. The next page is my biography with my photo. I have 3 paragraphs in there. And then my resources tab, I think this was the 15 sources. We did this one from the group Google Doc. The teacher's choice, this was my top 5. I guess we did that in March, also in class. And then my technology projects, this was the scavenger hunt PowerPoint. You can see through there, I have a bunch of slides, and then my academic advising PowerPoint. A bunch of slides in there as well. Which one was that? My digital story that we just completed, also about a day in the life of me. My PLE and PLNs are here, with also the chart here linking my 3 reflections. Next was the mobile app presentation, also presented that in class. And then lastly on this page is the website evaluation. And then lastly my evaluation page. This is my certification, showing I completed this on March 17th. And then the last thing I need to do is just upload this recording to this page, and I believe I am all set. So it looks like I got everything. So, alright, Miss Debbie, thanks for an awesome semester. I hope you enjoy my screencast, and I hope to see you soon.